In this video, we'll guide you through Gmail integration on Olympia. To get started, click on your profile image in the bottom left of the Olympia dashboard and select Account Settings. On the next page, click the Integrations tab on the left side. Locate the Gmail option and click Connect. Follow the prompts to link your email account with Olympia. Now that the integration is set up, let's explore some practical use cases. First, let's have a consultant draft an email for us, which can be sent using our own email address. I'll simply request that a consultant draft an email on my behalf, and they'll start working on it right away. Once the email is ready, I'll click the From email address to switch it to my own. You'll notice that the email content updates to reflect that it's coming directly from me and not from an AI consultant. Now that I'm happy with the email content, I'll simply hit Send. Emails sent through Olympia will still appear in the Sent folder within your Gmail account. Currently, Olympia does not support file attachments. However, we may revisit this possibility in the future. Next, I'll demonstrate how a consultant can help you manage your emails. Consultants can access any folder within your Gmail account, but will only retrieve 10 results at a time. In this example, I'll ask Ronnie to check for any emails marked as important or those she considers important. Then, I'll ask her for more details on one of the emails. After that, I'll have her draft a response to schedule a meeting. Finally, I'll demonstrate how you can check for emails from a specific person. Since I'm currently in an ongoing discussion with Carly, I'll ask the consultant to look for any recent emails from her. I've received a summary of Carly's latest communication, but I won't draft a response right now, as we've already covered everything you need to get started with Gmail integration on Olympia. Remember, this feature is experimental and will be refined over time, so feel free to explore it as much as possible. If you have any questions or feedback, reach out to support using the link in the video description.